If your Chevy Traverse just clicks or stays silent when you turn the key, let's walk through the 7 most common causes. Statistically, 70% of these no-start complaints trace back to a weak battery or poor terminal connections. Before you call a tow truck, follow this diagnostic path to save yourself time and money. Start by testing your battery voltage, scrubbing terminal corrosion, and ensuring your ground straps are clean and tight. If the battery is fine, focus your attention on the starter solenoid, the ignition fuse, or a faulty neutral safety switch. More advanced issues include a bad crankshaft position sensor, a failed fuel pump relay, or a loss of computer communication. Simple electrical swaps are great for DIY, but anything involving the starter or wiring harnesses typically requires a professional shop. Repair costs vary wildly, with simple battery swaps costing much less than a full starter or sensor replacement. Use an OBD-I scanner and a multimeter to verify where power stops in your starting circuit. Keep a basic toolkit with a multimeter and a wire brush handy to resolve most common connection issues. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal before handling any electrical components near the engine. If these steps don't solve your Traverse issue, it is time to consult a mechanic. Thanks for watching.